Speech. Is India ready for electric vehicles? Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly pertinent, and transformative topic. Is India ready for electric vehicles? Commonly known as EVs. In recent years, the idea of shifting from traditional fuel-based vehicles to electric mobility has gained momentum across the world. India, being one of the fastest-growing automobile markets, is also moving in this direction. EVs are often seen as the future of transportation, promising a cleaner and more sustainable environment. However, an important question arises. Is India truly ready for this transition? Let us first look at the environmental aspect. EVs are considered environmentally friendly because they reduce carbon emissions and air pollution. In cities like Delhi and Mumbai, where pollution levels are alarmingly high, EV adoption can bring significant improvement. This makes EVs a viable solution to environmental challenges. However, it is also important to note that electricity in India is still largely generated from coal. This raises concerns about the overall efficiency of EVs in reducing emissions. Now, let us discuss infrastructure, which is one of the biggest challenges for EVs to succeed. A strong network of charging stations is essential. Currently, India lacks adequate charging infrastructure, especially in rural and semi-urban areas. This creates uncertainty among consumers regarding long-distance travel without reliable charging facilities. The adoption of EVs may remain limited. Therefore, building a robust infrastructure is a crucial step toward EV readiness. Another important factor is cost. EVs are generally more expensive than traditional vehicles due to high battery costs. Although operational costs are lower, the initial investment can be a barrier for many consumers. This makes EV adoption financially challenging for the average Indian buyer. However, with technological advancements and increased production, prices are expected to decrease in the future. Government policy plays a significant role in promoting EV adoption. The Indian government has launched initiatives such as FAME to provide subsidies and incentives. These policies aim to make EVs more affordable and attractive. Such measures are encouraging for both manufacturers and consumers. However, Consistent and long-term policy support is necessary to build confidence in the market. Another concern is battery technology and disposal. EV batteries require rare materials like lithium and cobalt, which are expensive and limited. Moreover, improper disposal of batteries can lead to environmental hazards. This creates a complex challenge that needs careful planning and innovation. Despite these challenges, India has several advantages. The country has a strong potential for renewable energy, such as solar and wind power. If integrated effectively, EVs can become part of a cleaner energy ecosystem. Additionally, the growing startup ecosystem and technological innovation can accelerate EV development. This creates a promising future for electric mobility in India. Consumer mindset is another important factor. Many people are still hesitant to switch to EVs due to lack of awareness and trust. Changing this mindset requires education, awareness campaigns, and positive user experiences. Over time, as more people adopt EVs, confidence in the technology will increase. In conclusion, India is on the path toward EV adoption, but it is not fully ready yet. While there has been significant progress in policy support and awareness, challenges related to infrastructure, cost, and technology still remain. India is in a transitional phase, moving steadily toward a more sustainable future. With the right investments, policies, and public support, India can successfully embrace electric mobility. The journey may be gradual, but the destination is clear: a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable transportation system. Thank you.